Hi everybody, in this video we'll attempt to answer the question, can we lower the pH of a weak acid? The short answer to this question is yes. But first let's recap two related concepts, weak acid and pH. For weak acid, it is one that partially ionizes in water to form hydrogen ions. So let's say for example you dissolve 100 acid molecules in water. Maybe about 10% of the acid molecules ionizes to form 10 hydrogen ions and the corresponding anions. Then the remaining 90% of the acid molecules remain in molecular form. So one common example of a weak acid is ethanoic acid. pH actually measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in water. So generally, the higher the concentration of hydrogen ions in water, the lower the pH. And the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. When the pH is 7, the solution is considered neutral. And when the pH is above 7, it's considered alkaline. And when it is less than 7, the solution is considered acidic. For weak acids in general, the pH is approximately between 4 to 6. So then how do we lower the pH? So to lower the pH, we need to increase the concentration of the hydrogen ions in water. And to do so, we can increase the concentration of the weak acid. So let's use a visual example to illustrate. Say we have a dilute weak acid, and we make this weak acid or dilute weak acid by dissolving 100 molecules of this weak acid in water. And say 10% of these acid molecules ionizes, and then we get 10 hydrogen ions in this amount of water. And now we want to lower the pH of this weak acid. So then we make a more concentrated weak acid by dissolving 1000 molecules of the weak acid in the same amount of water. And assuming 10% ionization, now we get 100 hydrogen ions in the same amount of water. So now the concentration of hydrogen ions is actually higher. So consequently, the pH of the solution is lower. If you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video and subscribing to this channel. And drop me a comment to let me know what other content you like to see in this channel. See you in the next video.